Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today I'm going to be answering the question, who do we accept to open accounts? Do we accept everyone, or is there certain countries that we have restrictions for? Let's get started. Instead of me going down a list of all the countries we accept, it's probably going to be easier if I just tell you the countries that we do not accept. And that is Canada, Australia, and the Balkans. If you're wondering what the Balkans is, that means you're not there. I'm kidding. It's countries like Bulgaria and Croatia. After 2001, there have been more restrictions on outside residents called Know Your Client provisions. Because of this, foreign accounts have added due diligence that we have to do to make sure they're cleared. Because of these changes, there is added due diligence for all foreign accounts. So we want to let you know right now so you're aware and make sure your expectations are set that it could take a little bit more time to open your account. If you have any questions around opening an account with us at Cobra Trading, just know we're happy to answer any questions you have. Go to cobratrading.com, go to the live chat feature and ask away. And don't forget, hit that like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified when more videos come. Thanks.